We are emerging from the era of the sea's romantic mystery into a new time of research and exploration. Soon, most of the mysteries of the sea will be revealed to us, and we will see that the ocean is but an immense extension of man's own world, a province of our own environment. We will have to farm it, mine it, and harness its energies. But we must remember to protect its integrity and its harmony as we make this great voyage of discovery into a once mysterious but still beautiful world.
Never before in the history of man has the need to know and understand the sea been more urgent than it is today. In the words of John F. Kennedy, knowledge of the oceans is more than a matter of curiosity. Our very survival may hinge on it.
The ocean's plant life provides us with a large part of the oxygen we breathe. And if in a poisoned sea plant life ceased, it would mean disaster for all mankind. We must learn to protect and to love the sea, for the sea sustains life. That is our greatest resource and treasure. These new research subs, these incredible diving machines, will help us better understand the true wonder of the deep. They are the vanguard of a fantastic technology on which the future of civilization may depend.
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Never before in the history of humanity has the need to replace fossil fuels been more crucial than it is today. Kennedy and Cousteau did not foresee that the secret lay within the waters of the seas themselves and was not hidden beneath their waves. By looking beyond the crashing waves and opening our minds to the inexhaustible power of slow-flowing water, OroAzul has discovered how to power the world from the oceans and replace fossil fuels. When faced with decades of insufficient progress, it was time to throw away everything we knew about power generation, empty our minds as Bruce Lee taught, and start over. The oceans flow without form, so I looked for designs that conformed to the water and hacked away the unessential. No brutal concrete foundations, dams, pedestals, or pipes, no chopping blades or exposed high-speed machinery, none of the traditional forms of power plants. People are obsessed with turbines. I have 2 degrees in them, but most of the world is powered by pistons. Instead of fighting the ocean, these designs conform to it. They are large, slow, open-flow piston engines powered by flowing water. Instead of using pipes and valves to control the flow, they use the simplest of robots to open and close the pistons themselves. Whether they're surface demonstrators, distributed anchored systems, ship-based systems, or placed on existing drilling rigs, they're all open ocean pistons. This is what powers OroAzul. For half a century, the barrier to ocean energy has not been generation. It has been transmission. It costs too much. In 1976, calculations showed that when it was possible to ship sustainable energy across oceans at prices competitive with oil, oil could no longer compete. The batteries in 1976 just weren't good enough. In 2018, I saw that John Goodenough's new batteries were. It is now possible to ship and store electricity using off-the-shelf batteries in ISO shipping containers below the cost of natural gas. In 2021, the first electric container ship was launched. By combining these ships with ship-deployed OroAzul pistons, They can not only generate their own power, they can deliver it to shore. With deep water high pressure electrolysis, it's now possible to generate and ship liquid hydrogen at sea. By keeping the high pressure hydrogen at depth, it's now possible to store it and then ship it with very large ocean gliders. Small ocean gliders can traverse the North Atlantic on one battery charge. They are one of the most efficient transportation methods known to science. By defeating fossil fuels on cost in the open market, powered by the greatest untapped energy source on Earth, OroAzul is mapping a course to surpassing the Paris Accords and achieving full sustainability by the end of the century. It takes a better global energy system to replace fossil fuels. The OroAzul project is charting that course, and this video has only been a glimpse.